she does not desire me. I often weep and sigh, but she does not weep nor sigh. For this I strongly complain of her, and my complaint is right. For I do not think of anything else nor care, and she has no care for me. In me are all the cares that any true lover considers, and though I go and turn and twist, my heart does not turn nor twist. From her who I wait to make me better, for everything that wants itself gets better, and only if love worsens elsewhere, with her it does not worsen. All the pain she makes me suffer, very willingly I would suffer them, if she would only deign to welcome me as gently as I would welcome her. I would never have a weak or hard heart toward her, so why is she so hard toward me? That the more I stay near her, the less she stays near me. If she were pleased by my service, with all my wisdom I would serve her. For from this sickness she makes me languish. I know well that then I would not languish. But she does not want prayers or entreaties, and if mercy does not entreat, so much that she turns a little toward me, she will have no rightness from me. I cannot help but always pull there where my ill fate pulls me, for she has made my whole heart part from there, from where it would never part. If her glance sweet and pure, that makes me think she is pure, would tell me it made me secure from her who does not secure